These are my ginger pineapple wings, and today's episode is sponsored by Amco. Let me show you all how easy this one is to put together, and I promise you it will be a crowd pleaser. To start, I already washed and prepped my wings. I have about 15 pieces in total, and we're going to go in with 1 packet of Caribbean Dreams instant ginger tea unsweetened, and I went in with 1 teaspoon of salt. Go in with this Bragg Liquid aminos, garlic and green seasoning. Now give this a mix. Add in some black pepper because I forgot to, so I'm adding it in here. And once you mix it in, allow it to marinate minimum 30 minutes, or you can do this overnight in your refrigerator. Set that aside covered, and then to a pot add fresh pineapple chunks, sugar to taste, or you can omit the sugar, lots of chopped or minced pimento peppers, and Frank's red hot sweet chili sauce, about 1/3 of a cup. All of your measurements will be listed in the description box for you all. Here goes in some water and salt. Give this a mix and bring it up to a simmer. Cook until the pineapples are tender, and then I like to go in with an immersion blender because I just want to blitz this just a little. You don't want to puree it too much unless that's what you want to do. I like to see chunks of pineapple still when I serve. So once you finish, blitz it. Now we're going to add a cornstarch slurry and help to thicken this and turn it into a really beautiful sauce. So add your cornstarch to your water, mix that, and then add it to the pineapple. Give it a mix and set it aside. You want this to be slightly runny so it coats the wings when we're done. So I'm going to set this aside and let's move on onto preparing to fry the wings. So to flour, I'm adding in another pack of the Caribbean Dreams instant ginger tea along with some complete or all-purpose seasoning. Give that a mix and then dip your wings into that flour mixture, shaking off any excess. And I'm actually going to coat all of my wings at once, but you can do this in portions according to how you would prefer. Now over to the pot. I already have my oil heating up. I'm using my HexGlad pot here. I'll leave the link for it down below if you all would like to purchase this. I love this pot to fry. So I'm going to be frying this on a medium heat for 15 minutes. These wings are pretty big. If the wings are smaller, they would take about 8 to 10 minutes. And once they start floating, you'll know that they are done. You'll take them out of the oil and drain them on paper towels or parchment paper. And then continue frying the rest, and once you're done, we'll go ahead and pour the sauce over. But just listen to how crispy crunchy this wing is. Perfect. So now pour the sauce over the wings, and if you wanted to serve the sauce on the side, you can. I love a smothered wing. Toss to coat, and this smells heavenly. I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. Just look how delicious and scrumptious and juicy this looks. And that's it. All you have to do now is serve and enjoy. I love serving this while it's still warm. So be sure to pick up your Caribbean Dreams instant ginger tea unsweetened to try this recipe along with all of the other ingredients seen here from today's episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone. Time for me to enjoy.